Good morning, students. I hope you all are well at your home. Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel, St. Peter School, Kiratpur. Today, we are going to start Computer Class 4, Chapter number 1 Storage and Memory Devices. Before going to the detail, firstly, we should know what is data and what is information. See the difference between data and information. Data is derived from Latin word datum, information derived from informer. Data is a raw fact, information is a processed form of data. Data may or may not be meaningful, information is always meaningful. Data is called input and information is output. Data is difficult to understand, information is easy to understand. Data may not be in order, information should always be in order. Examples: what is data processing cycle? Input, processing and output. Firstly, we give input to the computer, then that input is processed and gives us output. Data is input and output is information. Memory and storage devices. Memory, storage, primary devices, secondary devices, ROM, read-only memory, RAM, random access memory. Memory. The term memory identifies data storage that comes in the form of chips. Storage. The word storage is used for memory that exists on tape or disk. Moreover, the term memory is usually used as a shorthand for physical memory, which refers to the actual chips capable of holding data. Misconception. Understandably, many computer users consider memory and storage to be the same thing. Those who realize that there is a difference between two often cannot identify this difference. If you are unsure about the difference between memory and storage in computer, take a look to the next slide. Memory and storage. The term memory refers to the component within your computer. Storage is the component of your computer that allows you to store the access data on long-term basis. You may recognize this component as DRAM. Storage comes in the form of solid state drive or hard disk drive. The number of chips represent the computer memory. The filing cabinet represent the storage of memory computer. Storage. Secondary storage, magnetic memory, optical memory. Magnetic memory comes FDD, HDD, and optical memory is CD-ROM, CD-RW, DVD-ROM, DVD-RW. Memory is primary, volatile, non-volatile. Volatile is RAM, non-volatile is ROM. RAM further divided into memory addresses. Memory is a collection of cells, each with a unique physical memory address. Each cell can hold 1 byte or 8 bits. Storage capacity. The amount of data a storage device such as a disk or tape can hold. Now, primary memory or main memory. Volatile memory is called temporary memory. Volatile memory requires electricity or some kind of current to store information. Most common example of primary memory is RAM. Operating system only uses memory during operations. Non-volatile memory, permanent memory. Memory does not require any kind of power to hold information. Secondary devices. This is also called MOS storage device. Auxiliary memory. This memory is slower than main memory as it involves mechanical motion techniques during storage and retrieval of data. This memory is larger in size than main memory, but processor is unable to access it directly. Secondary memory can further divide it into magnetic storage memory and optical storage memory. Now, magnetic storage and their work. Magnetic storage is one of the most affordable way to store large amount of data and has been implemented using magnetic tape, floppy disk and hard disk. Storage devices hold data even computer is turned off. So see the types. magnetic tape drive, floppy disk drive, and hard disk drive. These are the main types of magnetic storage devices. Hard disk drive. Hard disk drive composed of one or more platters that are permanently sealed with a hard metallic casing. These hard disks are fixed in the computer CPU and are seldom transferred from one computer to another. For better use of hard disk, it is divided into partitions like C drive, D drive, and E drive, etc. Now see optical storage. An optical device disk is a high capacity storage medium. An optical drive reflects light to read data, to store data. The disk metal surface is covered with tiny dents and flat spots which cause light to be reflected differently. Optical storage media include CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, and DVD-RAM, etc. CD-ROM, compact disc ROM, read-only memory, capacity is 650 MB. CDR, compact disc recordable. CDRW, compact disc rewritable. DVD, digital versatile disc, capacity is 4.7 GB to 17 GB. DVD-R, DVD-R recordable. DVD-RW, two versions are there, plus and dash. The four versions of DVD are as such. What is ROM? Read-only memory is a non-volatile memory. The contents in location in ROM cannot be changed. The data in ROM is not lost when the computer power is turned off. The ROM is sustained by a small long life battery in your computer. See the types. ROM divided into PROM, EPROM, and EEPROM. Then what is RAM? Random access memory or RAM is a type of volatile memory which stores frequently used program instructions to increase the general speed of system. Data in RAM is not permanently written. RAM is a form of data storage that can be accessed randomly at any time in order and from any physical location. Now see the operations of RAM. Read operation and write operation. A random access memory device allows data items to be read or written in almost the same amount of time, irrespective of the physical location of data inside the memory. In contrast with other direct access data storage media such as hard disk, CDRW, DVD-RW, and other drum memory. See the types: DRAM, SRAM, SDRAM, EDRAM, flash RAM, and ferroelectric RAM. Thank you.